Hello, everyone. Welcome to the future of Business Central support. We're excited to introduce our new GPT-powered model, which is a smart assistant designed to handle your basic day-to-day Business Central support questions. The ultimate goal is to save you both time and money. Please keep in mind, AI isn't always 100% correct, so use your best judgment. This is our version 1, and as the model learns, we'll continue to make improvements. So, what is a GPT model? Well, a GPT model is like a super smart assistant powered by artificial intelligence, right? GPT stands for Generative Pre-trained Transformer. But don't worry about the technical name. Let's break it down in simpler terms. Imagine a digital brain that has read tons of books, articles, and content from across the internet. It's been trained on all this information to understand language really, really well. When you ask it a question or give it a task, it generates a response based on what it has learned. It's kind of like having a helpful, knowledgeable friend who can answer questions, help you write content, and even brainstorm some ideas. Now, you might see GPT models in chatbots, virtual assistants, or tools that help you compose emails. They're designed to make life easier by understanding how we'll talk and respond in a way that feels natural. In short, our GPT model is your tech savvy buddy. It's ready to assist you with all kinds of creative and practical tasks. All right, let's get into it. So, how do you access the Business Central Help Desk with advanced AI support? Well, getting started is pretty simple. You're going to need to create a free or paid ChatGPT account. And the difference between a free account and a paid account is simply a free account has a daily limit on the number of characters you can enter, and a paid account offers higher usage limits, plus has a few other additional features. Please note, we do not earn any money from the GPT accounts you create. Those accounts are simply for your own use. All right. Once you have an account, you'll see a screen that looks like this. All you really need to do is click Explore GPTs on the side over here. And then you want to type in Business Central Help Desk with, there we go, Business Central Help Desk with advanced AI support. All right. Select it, and then you can see some information about it. And then what you want to do is you want to click Start Chat. All right, so when you open this help desk, you're going to see some example questions that you can select to get started. So for instance, if I select over here, how do I configure user permissions in Business Central? It is going to pull up all the answers for you. Step 1, access user setup, assign user groups. And it's going to take you through pretty much everything. So let's say that, you need something that's maybe a little bit more specific. So say you're having trouble with the reconciliation process and you're wondering if there are any apps out there that can help. All you really need to do is just ask, are there any advanced inventory to GL reconcile report apps available? And now the agent is going to search App Source and the web to find, available solutions. So right here you can see advanced inventory to GL reconcile report. Yes, they're in advance available for Business Central. It gives you a link right here on App Source. Here's another one. You can also say what inventory management apps are available. So it's really nice. It's really interactive. You can see it's bringing back YouTube videos if needed. Different things, different type of things. For inventory maps, it's going to show you SharePoint, private limited, scan inventory by in-text. So it's going to save you a lot of time instead of having to go to the actual App Source website and, picking filters and searching and those type of things. All right. So what sets our agent apart from the other Business Central agents that you'll see in GPT? There's not too many, but so what really sets us apart is one word, and it's accuracy. We've tailored our agent to focus solely on Business Central related information. So, for example, if you ask it, "What is pizza?" it won't respond because that's outside of its scope. This help desk is specialized in assisting with questions related to Business Central, Microsoft products, and related services. Additionally, we've instructed the agent to base its answers on authoritative and credible sources. This includes information we provide directly and verified data online. While it strives for accuracy, you know, AI can still make mistakes, so double check when you're in doubt. All right. We hope this tool becomes your go to resource for quick Business Central support. Give it a try and let us know what you think. Your feedback will help us make it even better. Thank you and happy exploring.